Welcome back everyone, and I hope you're doing well. So in this video we will see how we can send an image through message. Okay, so let's go to our main activity, and here I say r.id.btn image. So send my image. r.id.btn send image. So I use the intent equals to new intent because I'm sending this image, so I use the action send and make sure that you set its data. So I use the URI.parse because I'm sending an image from my drawable. So I'm going to open this folder, and inside the drawable I'm going to paste this image. Okay, so how to access to the drawable and to this data? Inside the parse, specify the data scheme as android.resource and colon / and your package name. Okay, you can also call the get package name, which returns your package name in the form of a string, and then inside that package, go to the drawable folder, and inside that there is an image. So you must use the r.drawable name of that file, which is this one. Okay, your data scheme is this one, Android resource, but this is not enough for the type of intent. You must specify the type of your intent. Set type, because I'm sending an image which is of any type. The image type is PNG. You can also write PNG in here. If you want to send any type of image, okay, you can specify semicolon. I'm sending an image which is of any type. And let's add extra methods. So I'm sorry, that make sure that you do not set data in here. First you must use the URI image and pass the URI, and made this in here because you're dealing with binary files. So I use the intent.extra stream. Okay, if you're dealing, or if you want to send binary files, use the stream because these files will come under the category of stream. And I pass the URI image in here, and then I will initialize my chooser. I call the create chooser, and I pass the target intent and set the title send image. Okay, and call this start activity and pass the chooser. And you can also add an attachment to your file if you want. Okay, if you want to send an attachment, intent.putExtra, intent.extra text, this is an attachment. Let's run and see what happens whenever the user clicks on the send image button. Okay, you see there are multiple apps that can handle my request. Whenever the Android finds multiple matches that can handle your request, it's going to show you through a dialog. You see the title dialog is send image, which I have specified in here. Okay, send image inside the create chooser method, second parameter. These are the apps that can handle your request. So it gives me error, I don't know why, but you can use your real phone that send an image to the person that you want to send. Okay, so let's see how we can send multiple images to someone. This is all about the implicit and explicit intents. There are still a lot of things I haven't discussed about them, but I believe that you have learned much thing about the explicit and implicit intents in these tutorials. In the next tutorial we will cover a next subject which will be really interesting for you guys. If you have any questions about implicit intents, just let me know in the comment boxes below this video. But there is only one thing that I haven't done yet. So now let's see how we can send multiple images through Gmail app to someone. I'm going to handle its event case.r.id send money image. So I'm going to pause the video. I will explain everything. So if you want to send some pictures from your folder, specify your folder name. Okay, if you want to send multiple images to someone from your external directory, you must call the get external storage public directory by using the environment class, and inside the braces pass directory you want to get its image, and it returns a directory reference, and store that inside the file object that I have created in here called the list method, and it returns you the name of those pictures in the form of strings of array, which is an array of strings which are the names of those pictures. And use the array list because there are multiple images, and specify the type of that array list as the name of URI, and use the enhance for loop to iterate through those pictures, and use the array list to add it and use the URI.parse and specify the data scheme as file, and write the directory and transform it into a string and pass the name of each picture name. And after that, specify the action as action send multiple, because you're sending multiple images, because those are the binary files, so they come under the category of extra stream. And pass the array list object in here, and specify the type of your intent as the type of image, and create a chooser that you want to send image to someone. Let's see what happens if we run this code. And don't forget that if you want to deal with the external storage, make sure that you add the permissions. Okay, you can add the permission that uses permissions, write permission, because it allows you both read and write permissions. Okay, so I'm going to close that and restart the app. Send image. You see the app is crashed because the newer versions of Android, the Android developers come with a different permission, which is runtime. Okay, although you have specified the permissions in the manifest, so you didn't provide the runtime permissions. So go to the internal storage and find your app. Okay, explicit intents. You see no permission is set, so I set the permission as storage, and let's run our app again. Send image. You see multiple apps are available. You see there is no Gmail app so that I can send my image to the person. If you have a Gmail app inside your phone, so click that one and specify the person or specify the recipients you want to send these pictures for you. So this brings us to the end of this particular tutorial, and if you guys do like what you watched, make sure that you subscribe us and let us know your thoughts in the comment boxes below this video. And in the next video I'm going to cover a new subject which will be very useful for you. If you have anything in your mind which is left complicated for you, that let me know in the comment section below. I will try to answer them ASAP. So have fun learning, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.